Hello, I'm your factoryworkx success coach on behalf of metrologx. In this short video, I'd like to give you an overview of the factoryworkx WIP tracking capability feature and how easy it is to keep track of WIP stock levels by just collecting quality data. A channel in factoryworkx represents literally all streams of data created in a value stream, no matter if it is quality data, process data, or just any other line data and information. Let's take a closer look to the material flow along a value stream. It starts with raw material at the first operation, which results in a semi-finished product. Value is added, which turns the raw material into a semi-finished product. Now factoryworkx adds the number of conforming semi-finished parts produced automatically to WIP level of the subsequent data collection point. This procedure is called simple WIP tracking. Simple because there's no user interaction required to control inventory. This procedure goes on downstream to the end of the process, where we finally have finished products. Simple inventory management provides transparency without any human transaction, literally in a jiffy. Raw material is consumed, non-conforming parts are blocked, conforming semi-finished parts for unrestricted use are instantly counted as WIP to the next downstream operation, thus data collection point. Simple inventory management applies also to the last data collection point in the channel. Raw material or WIP is consumed, non-conforming products are blocked, and conforming products are automatically forwarded downstream along the value stream or supply chain. factoryworkx is providing also advanced inventory management features beyond WIP tracking by user-initiated material movements. With movements, full visibility about material shipped, in transfer, and received is provided. Another level of transparency is provided by full EDI capability of factoryworkx, enabling supply chain visibility. This option is required when the data collection points are in other physical locations. All standard formats like VDA, X12, and EDIFACT are supported. Let's summarize the inventory management options. Simple inventory management. Simple inventory management provides an instant WIP overview without any human additional interaction. Material movements. In case that movements or shipments have to be controlled, advanced material movement feature is available to have insights about material shipped, material in transit, and material received. Full EDI integration. EDI integration capability of factoryworkx is the prerequisite of supply chain visibility. factoryworkx is an industry-proven solution for various use cases in manufacturing and supply chain. If you have any questions about factoryworkx and what it can do for your business, please let us know. Let's go down to the shop floor and start the digital transformation. Thank you for watching this video.